In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give away a free ebook with Payhip. Whether you're an aspiring author wanting to share your work, or a business owner offering valuable content, using Payhip to distribute your ebook is a straightforward and effective solution. Let's dive in and walk through the process together, step by step. First, it's crucial to set up a Payhip account if you don't already have one. To do this, head over to Payhip's website and follow the simple sign-up process. Even if your intention is to offer free products, Payhip requires you to connect a payment method, such as PayPal or Stripe. This is necessary as it enables you to potentially receive payments or donations if you choose to allow voluntary contributions for your work. Once your account is ready and your payment details are linked, navigate to the main dashboard where you'll see a tab titled Products. Clicking on this tab, select the option Add New Product. This is where the magic begins. To distribute your ebook, choose Digital Product when prompted. This option is specifically tailored for digital files like ebooks, ensuring a smooth delivery to your audience. Now it's time to upload your ebook file. Make sure your ebook is in a compatible format like a PDF, which is widely accessible and easy for your readers to open. After successfully uploading your ebook, focus your attention on setting the price. For a completely free download, simply type 0 into the price field. This will make the ebook available at no cost to anyone who wants to download it. Alternatively, if you're open to donations or voluntary payments, you can opt for a pay-what-you-want pricing model by entering 0+ in the price field. This unique option allows people to choose to contribute any amount above 0 if they find your ebook valuable and want to support your work. With the basics covered, it's time to fill out the detailed product information. Start with a catchy and descriptive title that resonates with your target audience, followed by a brief description that highlights what your ebook offers. Don't forget to enhance your product page by adding an appealing cover image. This visual element is often the first thing potential readers will see, so make sure it accurately represents your content. Lastly, it's important to set your visibility preferences. You have 3 options here. Visible, which makes your ebook publicly available to anyone. Unlisted, ensuring that only those with a direct link can access it. And invisible, where only you can view the product, which might be useful if you're still in the process of preparing your launch. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your ebook for distribution on Payhip. Now, with these simple steps completed, your audience can enjoy your work effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you share your ebook with the world.